Okay.
That is what that's for. So it channels water through that rather than breaking over top of the dam and breaking.
Why don't you switch the camera?
Hey guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Brandy.
Hi.
Okay, we're over at the Hoover Dam. I'm on YouTube right now, making my video.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like that too much.
What?
You're playing on YouTube and posting videos.
What? I'm gonna get some subscribers. Okay.
Yeah, also says the same thing, and I tell him no.
Okay, we're at the Hoover Dam. There's some water over there. The lake. National park, I'm guessing.
I don't think it's considered a national park.
It is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. Yes.
7 Wonders.
Okay. So, this place is great.
Oh, long walk.
Yeah, sure, it's a big place. Okay, well, right now we're at the.
Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Wait till you see the other side.
Okay,
See
so
how big it actually is.
right now we are at the border of Arizona and Nevada, right?
Yep.
So,
I think we just left the car in Arizona and we're in Nevada now.
yeah, we left the car in
I
Arizona.
left welcome to Arizona sign all the way up there.
Yeah, we left the car all the way up at.
So you're not in the same state as your car. How's that make you feel?
Not very good.
It's actually like that. And it still
Hi.
works.
Okay, we're very high up. If you guys are scared of heights, just do not watch this. Yeah.
Don't look over, Brandy. I can't.
So, yeah, we're doing fine.
Oh shit. I looked over.
But Brandy,
Why do you keep looking over?
Brandy's the only one who's freaking out. Okay. So, yeah, there are a few.
Okay, looking over at a distance.
But yet, when you look straight down, it's not so fun.
Yeah, it's a lot more funner than looking out in a distance. Okay, we're getting closer to the lake over there. Up there is electricity on the top of that there, so yeah.
They walk on the right side of it.
Why?
There are super people driving too. There's a boat out there.
Yeah, you can go boat.
Yeah, there's a boat if you look very carefully over there.
You can boat up through here. My parents swear to God we've been boating here.
And there's also a boat sitting right over there. So, yeah.
Yeah, you're allowed to go. Well, Lake Mead is a lake that you can go boat.